Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best anti-static spray is probably one of the most underrated products out there, but trust me, it's a game changer. From eliminating annoying static cling on your clothes to protecting sensitive electronics from damaging electrostatic discharge, this stuff does it all. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of anti-static sprays, exploring their uses, and helping you find the perfect one to keep your life static-free. Number 5. Bounce Anti-Static 3-in-1 Spray. This is the Bounce Anti-Static 3-in-1 Spray. It's perfect for removing static, eliminating odors, and wrinkles from your clothes. Keep your clothes looking their best with this amazing product. This 3-in-1 anti-static spray is ideal for use in your car, home, office, and while traveling. It's convenient and easy to use wherever you go, ensuring your clothes stay fresh. For best results, spray it on dry clothes. Gently smooth and tug the fabric, then lay flat or hang to dry. You'll achieve static and wrinkle-free results effortlessly. Never run out of it by adding it to your subscriptions. You can save on each bottle, ensuring your clothes always look perfectly smooth, static, and wrinkle-free. It's a convenient way to keep your wardrobe in top condition. Get your Bounce Anti-Static 3-in-1 Spray today. It's the perfect solution for keeping your clothes fresh, wrinkle-free, and static-free. Try it now and experience the difference. What we like. This spray is a true multitasker, tackling static, wrinkles, and odors all at once. If you're always on the go and need a quick fix for your clothes, this is perfect. It's ideal for travel or a busy lifestyle, keeping your clothes fresh and ready to wear. What people say. Cuts down ironing time big time, and honestly, most wrinkles disappear with just a few sprays and a quick smooth down. Works great on shoes to help keep them looking clean and static-free. Releases it immediately and smells awesome doing it. Number 4. Smart Sheep Anti-Static Laundry Scenting Spray, Lavender. This spray is perfect for use with dryer balls or directly on your clothes. It reduces static and leaves your clothes lightly scented. It's a simple solution for fresh-smelling laundry. It's a natural, anti-static spray made with essential oils and witch hazel. Smart Sheep provides the perfect essential oils for your laundry needs. This product is designed to keep your clothes fresh and static-free. Keep your laundry fresh and static-free with this blend. It's the perfect combination for your laundry room. This product is designed to make your laundry routine easier and more enjoyable. Each bottle contains 4 fluid ounces, making it easy to store and bring to the laundromat. It's designed for convenience, so you can keep your clothes fresh wherever you go. This product is perfect for those on the move. Keep your laundry fresh with a variety of scents. It comes in lemon, lavender, and orange scents. Choose your favorite scent and enjoy fresh-smelling clothes every time you do laundry. What we like. This spray uses essential oils to not only eliminate static but also add a pleasant scent to your laundry. If you like natural products and enjoy a fresh fragrance, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a more natural approach to their laundry routine. What people say. Great scent, handles static cling nicely and so much easier than the small bottles that you have to shake to get the liquid out. Spray bottle is the way to go. This spray works excellently to keep my dryer static-free. The lavender scent is very nice also. Number 3. Endust for Electronics Multi-Surface Cleaning Spray. Tired of smudges and fingerprints? This spray removes them, leaving your screens clear and streak-free. It ensures a distraction-free viewing experience. This isn't just for screens, it's a multi-surface cleaner for all your electronics. It's perfect for TVs, laptops, tablets, and more. It helps keep all your devices clean. The special formula reduces static and dust buildup. This helps prevent equipment failure by keeping vents clear. Regular use can prolong the life of your electronics. Turn off your device and let it cool. Shake the can and spray in short bursts onto a cloth. Wipe the surface until it's dry for a clean, streak-free finish. This product is ammonia and alcohol-free, and it is also oil and wax-free. It leaves surfaces clean without causing damage or scratches. It works best when sprayed directly onto a towel. What we like. This spray is designed specifically for electronics, removing smudges and reducing dust. It helps to prolong the life of your devices. If you are looking for a way to keep your screens and gadgets clean and static-free, you should consider this. What people say. I use this to clean monitors, cases, laptops, phones and more. It smells nice, removes and prevents dust, has a good spray pattern and doesn't leave any streaks when used with a good microfiber towel. I can't believe how well this product works. I think it may even repel dust as well because I find that I don't have to dust nearly as often. No more speckles. Great for cleaning the scanner glass and my monitor screen also. Number 2. Static Blok Anti-Static Spray, 2-ounce travel size. Tired of static cling ruining your day? This spray is designed to zap away static in your clothing, hair, and more. It provides instant and lasting results, so you can stay confident all day. This product uses an all-natural and naturally derived formula. You can enjoy a static-free environment without any compromise. Feel good about what you're using. The formula is fragrance-free, so there are no lingering scents. You don't have to worry about it interfering with your favorite perfumes or laundry detergents. It offers a clean, refreshing experience. This product is free from parabens, gluten, phthalates, sulfates, formaldehyde donors, and animal testing. It's a safe and environment-friendly solution that you can feel good about using. This product is made in the USA by a family and woman-owned business. It's a reliable choice for you and the environment, ensuring quality and trust in every bottle. What we like. This spray uses an all-natural formula to eliminate static cling, ensuring your clothes stay static-free all day. If you like a product that is free from harmful substances and want a reliable solution for static, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who prioritize natural ingredients and lasting results. What people say. This stuff works great. I use it a lot in the winter for my wool sweaters, but it comes in handy for a few lighter summer fabrics too. It leaves no mark on anything I've put it on too. Works surprisingly well, doesn't leave any bad scent, and dries quickly. This did exactly what I hoped it would. And I especially appreciate the fact that it is not an aerosol. Number 1. Downy Wrinkle Release Spray Travel Size. Introducing the Downy Wrinkle Release Spray, a travel-sized solution for all your fabric needs. This all-in-one formula removes wrinkles, eliminates static, and freshens with a light scent. It's perfect for on-the-go use. This convenient spray is designed to be your portable wrinkle remover. Simply spray the fabric, tug, and smooth away wrinkles. It's that easy to keep your clothes looking their best. Not only does it remove wrinkles, but it also eliminates static and odors. This makes it a great fabric refresher. You can keep wearing your favorite outfits without hesitation. Use it as an ironing aid or on its own. Try it on curtains, tablecloths, sheets, and pillowcases. It adds a light scent to keep your fabric smelling fresh. Great for college students, business travelers, and last-minute touch-ups. This travel-sized spray is a must-have for anyone needing a quick and easy fabric solution. What we like. This spray is a travel-sized solution for wrinkles, static, and odors. It's great for quick touch-ups. If you are a college student, business traveler, or need a quick fix, you should consider this. It's perfect for keeping your clothes fresh and ready to wear on the go. What people say. It instantly smooths out wrinkles without having to pull out the iron. Works faster than an iron or steamer ever could. It actually works. I followed the directions and it got the wrinkles out of my tops and dresses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.